Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic e-business versus e-commerce. To start with, basically what is electronic business means. When a process that an organization conducts over computer mediated network, it categorized into the production area, customer focused area and internal and management focused area. So, any transaction completed over a computer mediated network that involves a transfer of ownership and rights to the use of goods and services. What is e-business? Basically, it is defined by the IBM in terms of it is transformation of the key business through the use of internet technology. Means if we are using computer mediated network, the internet technologies, the World Wide Web to proceed your business process, it is known as e-business. It's also known as the online business where the transaction take place online. So here it is mentioned the term e-business came into existence in the year 1996. Here its good features of e-business are it helps in the better communication and the faster decision making. 24/7 availability is there and you can proceed your business process quickly, faster and at a good rate. E-business includes a wider kind of business process. For example, electronic ordering process, supply chain management, customer relationship and so on. Next is what are the business types of e-business? As we discussed in the earlier topic, the basic types of e-commerce are B2B, B2C, that is customer to customer, customer to business. Likewise, we have two types of e-business. First is the pure play and other is your brick and click. Here, pure play refers to the company that focuses on one particular kind of product and services. It means in this kind of e-business, we or a company can consider only one product or the service instead of various kinds of services or products at once. But in the case of brick and click, as the name signifies, brick means we are using bricks to make the office of that organization. But the click means we are using mouse, means we are using the internet technologies, World Wide Web or the e-technologies for proceeding the e-business. So these are the two different types of e-business. Now the topic comes, what is the basic difference between e-business and the e-commerce? Look students, they both addresses the business processes as well as the technological infrastructure. Buying and selling of things via internet is known as your e-commerce. This is a simple definition of your e-commerce. On the other hand, if the business activities that are conducted via internet will be considered as e-business. The term e-business and e-commerce, they are often used interchangeably. When the electronic medium is used to the day-to-day activities, this is e-business. When the commercial transaction means financial transaction or money is considered in that transactions, it is basically your e-commerce. So the basic difference is when you are using day-to-day activities with the help of your electronic media, that is your e-business. When you are doing your commercial transaction or where the money is involved, this becomes your e-commerce. E-business is a wider concept. The second main difference is e-business is a wider concept. On the other hand, the electronic commerce is just a part of it. E-business deals with recruiting, training employees, sharing any internal information, their placements, their salary enhancements in the business processes. While in the e-commerce, information and computing technologies are used in inter-business or intra-business transaction. Other differences, some experts consider business is completely carried out through electronic media is your e-business. E-business does not have any physical presence in the market. You need not to buy an office, you need not to buy an infrastructure for proceeding your e-business. But when a business organization is physically owns the office and along its physical presence, it is transmitted or it is carried out in the business transaction online also. This is your e-commerce. So this is another big difference between both of them. Another difference is e-commerce includes any kind of business transactions related to the money. As I told you earlier, when the money, the finance, the funds, they are considered in your business transactions which are going through your electronic media, this is your e-business, where e-commerce. Whereas when all other monetary allied activities or other inventory activities are going on, this is your e-business. I'm taking the example here. If we are taking the Amazon.com or eBay.com, they are the world two biggest e-business units because they are dealing with all kinds of activities, allied activities, along with your monetary activities. Whereas on the other hand, if I'm taking an example of Nalli.com, it's another online store along with its physical presence, and it is referred to as e-commerce. So the two examples of both of them are given in this slide. Another difference is e-commerce is a major part of e-business. Remind, e-commerce is a major part of e-business. It means it's a subset of your e-business. But e-business on the other hand, or vice versa, e-business is not necessarily an e-commerce. So this is all about the basic differences of your e-commerce and e-business. Hope you enjoyed the lecture. For further updates on the topic of e-commerce, you can like, share and subscribe my channel Learning Thrust.